Hey viewers, happy Tuesday! And what better way to celebrate than mini brands! 4 of them. And they're not just any mini brands, they're toy mini brands. We like it extra around here. Okay, so to start things off, unbox new mini toys. Bird, be quiet! Don't you tell me no! He said no to me. Bubba, be quiet, please. I'm filming. No, do not tell me no. Do not talk back to me. I am so sorry. Let's get straight to opening. Worst comes to worst, I'll film up in my room. Comment down below if you have annoying siblings. Bubba, can you try and at least... There's always plastic wrap. Oh my god. Bird! Oh my god. I am so sorry. Worst comes to worst, I'll give him a piece of paper to shred. Every time I'm doing a video, I'll always give him a piece of paper. Or put him in for a nap. He's been in a jolly mood all day, though. Can't change it, I guess. Okay. Yee, so excited. Orange. Bubba, can you be quiet, please? Ooh! It's a Razor scooter. I have a Razor scooter on my front porch. This is so cute. Excuse me. Now there's a dog in my living room. No way! A Rubik's Cube! I got a Rubik's Cube in my last video. But it wasn't as cool as this one. This one's a keychain. You're fine, okay? I'm so sorry, viewers. I have an annoying sibling in the living room. Worst comes to worst, I'll put him in for a nap. Okay, next one. Oh dear. What is this? Metal machines. Do you have the speed to beat a croc? Look at this little croc. It's gonna eat you if you don't press that subscribe button. Take it as a threat. What's this? Oh, oh, it's Dora's backpack. I did actually get a Dora backpack in the last video. Actually, I don't think I did. Look at Dora's backpack. Backpack, 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 backpack. Backpack, 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 backpack. I hope I don't get a cart, because you saw the trouble I had last time. Ren and Stimpy, Nickelodeon. Oh, I watched this before. I forgot what the character's name is, though. Oh, God. Let me show you my annoying brother. Oh, God, he's fussing around with his bell. Bubba, what do you have to say for yourself? Where is he? Sorry, not a good cameraman. I'm the worst cameraman. See him? Can you be a little quieter, Bubba? Can you do that for me? That'll shush him. Are you still... Ugh. Let me give him a treat. You can watch me. He likes jalapeno chips. I'll just give him that. full. Go get it, Bubba. Better not touch my eyes. Actually, let me just wash my hands real quick. I don't want to get jalapeno dust in my eyes. In the meantime, enjoy this big blue wall. Shelby, bird, can you please? I am so sorry, viewers. Bubba's a little bit cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs sometimes. Next ball. Is he still talking? Sometimes I just wish I can put him in a blanket and make him fall asleep. If that's the way you feel for your sibling, give this video a thumbs up. I mean, yes, I love him to the bottom of my heart, but sometimes he can be a little disruptive. Oh, jeez. Should have filmed this video a couple minutes after. But whatever, I'm filming it and I gotta deal with my brother, so. Oh, God. Yeah, Bubba, can you be quieter? He just said be quieter. Do not backtalk me. Oh, God. He likes backtalking. When he gets mad, he'll ring his cowbell. That's how he lets everyone know that he's the boss. Don't mess with him. Or else he'll ring his cowbell at you. And he's gonna ring his cowbell at you if you guys don't hit that subscribe button. It's just a matter of things. All right, let's open this one. It's the first one. And I got a cart. Somebody plan a funeral for me, please. Okay, all right. And this time I'm not gonna throw away the booklet on how to make this. Last time, I was dumb enough when I did. And it's the same card as last time. I don't know. I have no clue. You know what? No, I'm not gonna build this right now. Done deal, I'm not gonna build it now. Ooh, Meccano. I've seen one of these cars before. They're actually really cool. Hey, Bubba, if you're talking so much, how about you? Oh, do not talk over me. Hey, Bubba, why don't you film this video instead? That's what I thought. What's this? It's another Rubik's Cube! But this time it's not a keychain. Woo! I'm rich. I'm rich in Rubik's Cubes. I have too many. Oh, this one already have. Oh. Next one. Oh, what's Sparkle Girls. Now I have the car, but I don't have the unicorn. Oh, you could preen her hair. Preen her hair. I'm bad. Comb her hair. So cool. All right, last one. Well, not the last one. We have 2 more balls. What's this? A-A-N-G. Ang. A-A-ng. Ng. Ang. Ang. Anger. Is this a movie? Battle action scenes. Yeah, I think this is from a movie. Looks Japanese, because I see some Japanese writing on the top. I don't know. Looks cool. I'm gonna try with all my Kate might to build this cart. If all fails, then someone please bury me. Because I don't know how to build a cart. I'm not built for carts. But you know what they say, at first you don't succeed, you try and try and try and try and try and try again. And you know, I'm just playing that part. Maybe I can get my annoying brother to build this for me. I doubt he'd build it. Bubba, be thankful you're not a YouTuber. Because pretty soon I'm going to put you on the spotlight and you're going to have to film videos for the whole world. He used to have his own channel. I stole it from him, though. Meh. Meh. Ow, I pinched myself. Just breathe in and out, Kate. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Oh my God. You know what? No, I'm not gonna build it now. Nah. No. Nada. My trash pile is piling up pretty quick. I'm gonna throw all my trashies out. I'll just get a bag. And I did get a bag because it came worse to worse. Okay. Next ball. Bobby just said, whoa. Don't you tell me no. I'm so sorry. Bubba can be a little disruptive sometimes. This has been like an ongoing series. Like, I did part 2 a couple days ago. Part 1, like probably a week ago. This is now part 3. And tomorrow I might have a part 4, so stay tuned. Did you even eat your jalapeno chips yet? Oh dear God. I might have to move my situation upstairs soon. I'm currently downstairs. Oh, no, do not run away from me. Funny thing, before I started filming, which was like, what, 15 minutes ago, Bubba was actually really quiet and calm. It was when I started filming when he was getting pretty noisy. Ooh, I got another bag. They gave me 2 bags. They only gave me 1 last time. They gave me 2. How generous. Man, sometimes many brands you can hit the jackpot. And I think I just did. Because I got 2 bags. Now I have a total of 3 bags because I got 1 bag last week. Another Rubik's Cube? Oh no, wait. I don't have this Rubik's Cube yet. Oh my gosh, so many Rubik's Cubes. I cannot keep track of them. Next one. Oh. I got what I wanted. Buncho balloons. fill and tie 100 balloons in 60 seconds. I've seen many commercials about these. I even tried some last year. Oh my god. Actually, it feels like there's something in there. I think he quieted down. No, he didn't. Ooh! What's that smell? Party game. That stinks. You know, I've never played this before, but I've heard many commercials about it. Let the nostril flaring begin. Start a timer, pick a mystery card, and try and guess the scent. Then pass it to the next player, and they'll do it all over again until the smell round is over. Best sniffer wins. That sounds like fun. Wait, what's that smell? It's the smell of the subscribe button. Hit it. I'm bad. I got another Dora backpack. Lucky for me, I'm getting twice as much. We are multiplying here. More Rubik's Cubes, more bags, more backpacks. Oh, shoot. Oh. One more ball, sadly. Well, that was cool. Nope, do not roll away from me. Hey, bird. How many fingers? Oh my god, he actually said one! He actually said one. I don't know if you heard it. He actually said, good bird. He actually said one. Oh my god. Hang on. Bubba, how many fingers? Bubba, how many fingers? He's thinking. But he actually said one, no joke. If you didn't hear it, I heard it. If you didn't hear it, he'll try again one day. He actually said one though. I've been trying to teach him that trick for ages. It never works. Lucky for you guys. Bubba, how many fingers? Whatever. Okay, here we go. Oh! Arctic Force. Oh, it's a space shuttle. Oh, it's a snowball blaster. Well, kind of like a space shuttle. See the little man shooting a snowball? I used to have a snowball shooter. But guess what? I'm a pitcher in softball. I'm my own softball flinger. Do not tell me I got another Rubik's Cube. Why am I getting so many Rubik's Cubes? Jeez. What is this? Oh, it's a boogie board. Do. Look, my fingers are surfing. No, hang on. Do. That's so cool. Smashers Mega Dino Light Up, or Mega Light Up Dino. I've heard of these before. I've never actually bought one. But here I am. I have one. Last one. Any last words? Adora. Perfect for the backpacks. Okay, now we've come to the part where I don't know if I'm actually a human or not, because now I have to build this cart. I'll try. Never hurts to try. I'm sorry, I don't know how to edit, so I can't magically fast forward time yet. There we go. Oh, we're moving. Turn me on like a light switch. Oh, you turn me on like a light switch. 1, Shoot. Dang it. You're lucky I didn't say I don't like today. Tag Amy well in the comments. Oh, God. How do you build this? It's like trying to build a McDonald's toy. Why is it so loose like that? Oh. Turn me on like a light switch. Oh, you turn me on like a light switch. Thank you, radio. Now I have that song in my head now. Probably gonna be singing it for the rest of my life now. Okay. Halfway there. Halfway. Living on a prayer. Hey! We're cruising. You turn me on like a light switch. Okay. Put the stickery on. Wow, this one seemed much easier to build. I don't know why. Put the little potty seat on. Looks like a potty seat, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. It's actually so cute. Let me get my other cart from last time. This is my other cart from last time. You may recognize it. Now I got two. Carry more stuff in. Thank you viewers for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite object. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Absolutely smash that smash that share button. Share this with your friends who love mini brands, love toys. And I will see you tomorrow for my next mini brands unboxing. Thank you viewers for watching again. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Peace.